let's see if I can figure out. So now I know that the SVG is not quite aligned in the vertical axis with the canvas. But first, before trying to figure that out, I'm going to try to figure out why when I change the code, like, let's say I change this to like 360, then the rotation here, instead of this coming up this way, I think it'll end up going over this way. But it should have done it by now, and it didn't do anything. So if I hit refresh, yeah, now you can see it goes out this way, but I shouldn't have to hit refresh. So I'm going to ask the AI why. And I don't know actually what files I need to add. When I change app.cljs, I expect when I hit save that actually, let me test out, now that I'm saying that, page. So I'm going to try changing some other stuff on the page. Maybe PDF colon is PDF colon. Okay, if I change this, does that update? No, it doesn't. Okay. So it doesn't seem to matter what I change. Is that the only place where PDF colon shows up? Oh, okay. What about if I change that? Nope, still doesn't show up. Is there anywhere else that it shows up? No, just those two places. Okay, so I think this is, so what I'm doing right now is I have the same page twice. Here is the page using Canvas for highlighting, and the exact same content is up here using SVG for highlighting. Almost the exact same content. It's slightly different. Here, everything is, all of the text is highlighted. But the main thing that I'm trying to do is rewrite so that all of these highlights use SVG, because that works a lot better with React. Anyway, when I hit save, one of these, so this is the one using Canvas for everything, and this is the one using SVG, so it uses React components in this closure script. I'm trying to make it so that when I hit save, the result shows up over here, and that's not happening, and I don't know why. Let's see. Where's my cursor? Cursor. Uh-oh. Well, that's unexpected. So my cursor, something is up. I was gonna try to go to the REPL buffer and see if it said in there anything that would help, but I don't know what's going on. I'm unable to. If I hit J, no, arrow keys. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know what state it was just in, but the arrow keys got me out of it. That's good to know. Okay, before I got sidetracked, okay, so now I'm gonna go to the REPL buffer and see, maybe the CIDR error tells me something, bind exception, I don't know when this happened, so I don't know if this is related. 3002. I don't even know what files. Source U1 BIL. Shadow. Okay. Depths. I'm looking for, like, how do I know REPL? How do I know what port is involved? I actually don't really know, yeah, like what ports are involved. in communicating back and forth. If I go to that page, what happens? Okay, so it looks like that is working. So this 9630 dashboard thing, oh no, cancel. I don't know how to use groups, and basically they only annoy me. Let me close some of these tabs. Don't really need these anymore. All right, so now I have just these tabs. All right, oh, did I already have it open? I sure did. Okay, so yeah, so what can I figure out? Did this happen when I hit save? Is this the issue? Warning, server worker. What does it say here? Maybe this is why it's not really loading. Exception, EOF, false. Except it seems to kind of work, because if I manually refresh the page, then it opens everything up. Let me try restarting Cider, and then I'll have a fresh buffer, and I'll know for sure that the errors that I'm seeing are related to the code as it currently exists. So I'll hit save, and then I think it's comma MQR. It's restarting the Cider stuff. Oh, I don't know if that actually completely kills the buffers, now that I think about it. Do I want to visit that? No, I already have it open. Deleted code is debugged code, I suppose. Okay, stale output, running CLJS instance, refresh. Okay, I don't see any errors here. Was that enough? 360, change this back to 180, and that was not enough. Yeah, so this rotation was out this way, and now it's up this way, but only after I hit refresh. But I don't see any errors in the console here. Can I figure this out quickly enough? So if I go to Cider error now, it's the same error. Okay, what if I kill this? What if I just kill all the buffers related to this? I don't see any errors in here. Cider, REPL. I think it's just nREPL. Okay. Connect failed. Is server process dead? Oh, I think it always says that, and then it does this, and everything works. nREPL started on port that. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's not. I'm not seeing super clear Cider. Is there anything up here? No. Oh, what is this? It's a lot of history. Okay, this is a lot of history. Okay, this is unrelated stuff. This is ever since the last. It reopened, and I don't see any problems here. CLJS user JS alert. Hi, can I do that? Yeah, looks like that works. Okay. Aider. Whoops. Aider. Here. When I change app, and then I expect when I hit save, and save, the web page does not reload or does not automatically show the new version of the page. Oh, wait. Actually, I think I just realized what the issue is. I need down here something, a function that is marked as after reload or something. What is that? I think I might have it in Kitty Says No. So let me go look into that. Kitty feeder. Kitty Says No. Source. Kitty Says No. App.cljs. Def wants root, mount root. No, I don't see something in here about reloading. Maybe this one also doesn't work, and I just haven't noticed. Yeah, I think I need something in here, a function that is marked as what to do after reloading, and that needs to call render. Maybe, okay, so Kitty Says No is not it, or doesn't look like it's working correctly. I need some other, what was another app? Oh, Fit, I think. Source, Fit, core. There it is. I think this is it. After load, reload. So this is just a separate function. Is there already a reload function? There is not. Okay. And then all it does is call render, and it calls it with state. This render doesn't take any arguments. So I think that's good. Okay, so now if I refresh, then I go change form 1040. Wait, what? Is that not in here? Okay, well, PDF : shows up there, and this one that I'm looking at right here is the upper one. Oh, looks like I did not do it in time. Oh, okay. So, actually, I just barely got it in time. Stop alarm. Okay, cool. That's a good video. Okay, so the fix was I needed a function that gets called after I hit save, and that function redoes all of the rendering. And the reason I didn't have that is because initially I just wasn't using React, and now I am using I'm starting to use React, and so yeah. So every time I hit save, this annotation lets Shadow know that it needs to call this function, and then this function, all it does is call render. So I maybe could just put this annotation right here. I don't know why it's like this in the other project. Like maybe in terms of the development process, it's better to have it be two separate functions for some reason. Like there's some situation where it's like a little bit annoying if they're on here. Anyway, I think that's a good place. Let me go find 180 and change it to 364. And I'm going to hit save, and then this should turn that way without me having to do anything else other than just hit save. Yay! Okay, cool. So that'll be nice for figuring out things after this. Let me make a commit out of that. Don't need that anymore. Is that the whole thing? Oh, yeah, right. So I added, these are for these squares right here to check the alignment on everything, and I don't really need that part right now. I'm just doing the hot reloading. So I'll make a commit out of that. Hot reload page after hot reload page after saving file. Okay, and that is going to be commit every time. Commit 8E12566. Make sure that's on remote. And get finished. Okay, and I actually just closed that, so let me open it again. Not one key. This is yes, that. Did it get up here? Oh, how do I see commits? Hot reload after saving file. Cool. Alrighty.